Lesson number 5. Surprise birthday party. Look at the pictures, listen and read. There was a monkey named Manku. Manku lived in a cave. A lake was near the cave. Ducky, the drake, and his sister Lucky lived in the lake. Jin and Jenny, the cranes, lived near the lake. All of them were Manku's friends. They loved to play together. One day, Manku became very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Ducky, Lucky, Jin and Jenny will come to say happy birthday, said Manku. Soon it was Sunday. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours. But no one came. So he felt very sad. Manku went to the lake, but no one was there. So sadly, Manku came back to his cave. Manku was surprised to see the cake on the table. Wow, the cake, said Manku. Ducky, Lucky, Jin and Jenny came out and shouted, Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Manku! I baked cake for you, said Jenny. And we have made this table for you, said Ducky and Lucky. Thanks, my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all, said Manku. Then they all danced together. Talk about your favorite animal. Write a few lines about it. Match the following things and sounds with their pictures. Things, sounds. Bell, rings. Horn, honks. Clock, ticks. Drums, beat. Door, bangs. Dishes, clatter.